Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction, the three Somali beautiful girls. She wearing brighter dress. They are, I think, bride. So must subscribe this channel if you really like this video, and don't forget to share. Okay. And you are watching narration video, and my name is Now. I really enjoy after this video. So check out. Oh wow. Somali bridal and makeup and dress. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, amazing. Beautiful smile. Wow. Oh, oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh. So nice. Long, oh, wow. Long grass. Wow. Long earring. It look like Indian girl. Oh wow. Wow. That girl is, I think, from India. The last one. Yeah, this girl. This girl look like from India. Wow. White, green, wow, golden. I like this girl. She's so beautiful. Okay, Isaac. Really amazing video. So guys, this is really amazing. She's really beautiful. The one girl look like Indian and the another one look like Somali, but they are all Somali girls. I know that. If you, I really enjoy this video. It's really amazing and beautiful dresses in golden design. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel. I really enjoy it. So love you all. Take care and bye bye.